Hi everyone, this is Tuan. Today I'm going to show you how you can help others with the data farming. So if you bring people in, of course they don't know how to do data farm, you can assist them and they have to buy a new TradingView essential plan, which will cost them to start the whole data farm process with Carbon. So to reduce that cost, if you already have a essential plan, and I have a Prima account that can serve about 400 alerts, means I can serve about 400 people with data farming. So with Essential, it's about 20 alerts. Okay, so that means 20 accounts that you can serve to help other people so they don't have to buy the Essential plan. And the process is very simple, right? If it's someone you brought in, help them with this process. So on the right side, this is my TradingView plan premium, and yours should be the essential. Go ahead and log in, okay? And then I have my calculator ready, so I'm logging in. And to set up an account, you just give me an email. It doesn't matter what email, just give me an email and I create you an account with the password. You can go in there and you can change your password after that, okay? Right here. And then once you do that, you can just ask the referral person to say, hey, go ahead and set up an account with Tuan on his NFT reward calculator. So they give me the credential and I will create an account. Let's say it's my NFT Gmail. They log in. And when they log in, this is what they see. And on the my NFT here, okay, it's always gonna default under, I create a default account for you. And this is it's called NFT, but you can change that. So what I want them to do is basically log into their Carbon account. So after they purchased an NFT, right, they have this button available now and they have to do data farming. So what they need to do is the following. They need to go into their profile like this and copy the email here. Go back to the calculate and then change the NFT to the name of that Carbon account, okay? Hit rename. All right, so as you can see, it's different, okay? So this is just for the app, but this I want you to put the account, the Carbon account email here. So once they do that, they can actually request the data from you. So the way they do is they will click on request, and they will have to fill all this stuff in, okay? Recipient email basically is the account of this person here for this app, right? So I know who is in the system. So you need to provide them this email of yours. And so they can type in kexonic@gmail.com, which is your account in my app here. And then it kind of find it, right? You see how it finds it? Okay, that is Tuan. And what I want you to do is to save contact. So that way, next time you want to do this, all you have to do is click on this. You don't have to type it anymore, okay? So it saved that profile there. So now they do that. You notice that the alert name is created immediately. So it's basically 60 days because they're going to send this request and the data farm is every 60 days. I set it 60 days from now, followed by the word NFT. And then the email, which is that email there, which is that Carbon email, right? Okay. So I concatenate all that for you so you don't have to type. But you can go here and change this if you want and change it to dad, mom, whatever. But I like to put the email of the Carbon account. Okay. And then they need to provide a webhook and a message body and a TradingView chart link. So how do they get that? They need to go back to their Carbon and go to my NFT page. They need to click on Renew Start Your Data Farming. And here's all the information. Don't forget about this pop-up, okay? Don't freak out. Don't send me a message and say, what is this? I cannot continue. Ignore it. Continue the process with us. Just go ahead and copy the webhook URL. Just copy this. Go back. And I want you to paste it in here. All right. Then we need a message body. Let's copy the message body. Let's go back to the calculator and paste this in. Let's go back to the calculator and paste this in. And we also need a TradingView chart link optional. Well, it's not optional, but I need to change to mandatory. So the webhook and the message body and the TradingView link must be mandatory. I will make that change where you cannot send requests until you have this chart link. So if you don't put it the right format, it's going to prompt you that you didn't put the format correctly. Sometimes people put the webhook in the message body and vice versa. It's not going to let you send this request, okay? So how do you get this TradingView chart? So every time you do data farming, you have to do the following, right? You click on here, you provide this information, and you click on this last button here, okay? When you click on it, okay, it opens up a chart. Let it load, and all you have to do is copy this on the very top here, right? No, yeah, the link here, and then you just go back to the calculator, and I want you to paste that TradingView chart there. Okay, everything is complete. So when you send the request, I'm going to save the following on your account, right? When you click on, you do the next data farm again. I'll show you after this. All you have to do is click on the save data because if you want to send to Tuan to do this process again, it's going to populate your webhook for you. So you don't have to redo that. The only thing you will have to do is to provide the TradingView link again and then the new message body, and then you just send a request. But I'll show you after this. I'm going to go and send the request to this address right here, which is this guy here, Tuan. Okay, so I'm going to send. So request sent successfully. So when you log in, I'm just going to refresh this. When Tuan logs in, so here's my other account. Got a pop-up right now. View details that come from my NFT Gmail, which is this account right here. Okay. So let me go ahead and view detail. And as you can see, it's in the incoming tab here. If you expand, you see all the details. So let me go ahead and click on the eye here. All right. Now you see all the detail here for you. So what you need to do is you're going to click on this TradingView chart that they sent you. You can click on it, or you can copy it as well. Let me go click on it. So it opens up in the on the browser that you currently logged in, right? So it opens up here because this account has access to the collective indicator and it is the essential premium. So it opens up that chart. As you can see, you can locate collective X now, and I do have a video on how to do data farming, but you go ahead and click on that. Click on add alert on your end, and you should see something like this. In your account, you see like the dashboard here with all the trade wins and trade loss. You know that you're in the right, that you have access to the indicator. So of course, expiration, you would have extended this 60 days from now. I have an open-ended, but you can just kind of push it 60 days from now, select the last date and click on set for that date, okay? So I don't have that option, but you should do that on your end. With the message, if you go back into rewards, the alert name, go ahead and copy that. Go back to the alert and just paste it in here. So you don't have to really do anything. And then what do they need? You also need the message body, right? Go ahead and highlight and delete that. Go back to the calculator. This is your message body right here. And then go back here and paste. I might just have to switch this so that way you go from top to bottom. So I'm going to switch message body to be second, webhook to be third, okay? So, and then when you're done with this, you go to notification and make sure you uncheck everything but this webhook. Check that, select all this in here, and then go back to the calculator and copy the webhook here, and then paste it, okay? That's all you need to do, and hit create. And what you need to do is, since you are giving alert name, you can actually search for this name here, right there, search. So if previously you already create one, you can actually delete it now, okay? So I'm going ahead and delete this and create a new one. So I'm going to create. That's the new one. That's the old one, right? And then I can delete that. And that's the reason I put in the alert name the email so I can search and find the old one and delete one. So that is done. So what you have to do then is you tell them, say, hey, can you go back to your Carbon Collective right here and just refresh that page, and they should see 59 days. So that's how you communicate between. So before that, I create a spreadsheet. This will be easy for you. I kind of laid out the format and the name convention and all that, make it easy for you. And on this end as well. So as you can see, you have send a request here. You have a send request tab here as well. You can delete if you want to, but now you can see that you have sent a request. If they never respond to you, you might have to do that again. So let's say it's 60 days from now again. So you go back to request, make sure you're in the first tab here. As you can see, I saved the credential. So all you have to do is click on, hey, I'm going to ask Tuan to do it again for me 60 days from now. Just click on that. You notice I populate everything for you, the email, the alert, name created for you immediately, and also the webhook is the same. So I don't need you to go back and actually copy again. You will have to provide the message body and the link, the TradingView chart again. So basically, you come here, you go back to my NFT, the next 60 days, you click on this button here. All you have to do is copy this message body, paste it in here, and also the new chart now, right? So we rotate. So when you click on this button, it's going to be a different chart. You see the XRP up there that you had? If I click on it, it might be a different chart again. So this one is PAX, right? Gold, right? See, it's a different chart now. So you just copy that new chart and you just paste it in here. Send request again. And then when they log in or while they're working, they send you another request. So now you should have two. Now what I'm doing is you don't have two. What I do is I overwrite the old one, right? Because you don't need it, right? You don't need the old one. So I'm going to overwrite. So that's all you have to do. So and then that person will do that data farm for you, and that's how you would do it. Okay. So if you need questions, hope this helpful you guys. Those especially that help others, like I do. If I search for NFT. So let me see if how many I have served. About 62 people here that I helped to create this for them. And these are the people that have like a smaller denomination. But if you have like, if you buy 100K, you need to buy your own, right? You don't have to ask me to do this for you. You can afford that TradingView plan. So yeah, not big of a deal. But yeah, if you have any question, let me know. Okay. All right. Bye.